Are you not able to update your own listings on Amazon because you're not brand registered or considered the brand owner by Amazon? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make sure you are the brand owner so you can update your listings. At the end of the video, I'm also going to be giving you a pro tip, so stay till the end. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Step number one is you're going to log into your Seller Central account. Step number two is you're going to log into your brand registry account. If you don't have a brand registry account, go to brandregistry.amazon.com, sign up with the same exact email that you signed up for your Seller Central account. Step number three is you're going to go back to your Amazon brand registry account. You're going to go to manage and you're going to go to enroll a brand. And then step number four is you're going to go to enroll your brand and then click on open up a new tab and the USPTO trademark search. You're going to find that trademark search, whatever the brand is that you want to be a part of. Maybe it's Nike, maybe it's Aculeaf. We're going to say that, or maybe it's your own brand. Let's say it's your own brand, but we can go either or way, but let's just say it's Aculeaf or it's Nike. You're going to make sure you find that serial number on the USPTO website. So I got that serial number. And now you're going to go into your enroll your brand page, and then you put your brand name, put images, make sure the images, it says, or on a web, it should be like, I should have your hand in it, and it should have the logo of the trademark on it so they can see. Put in that serial number, and then there's going to be the ability to use this form so you can contact the administrator to make your seller account the brand owner. So you can use that form. So here's an example, share, and this is where they can allow you to become the brand owner. Now, look, it shows our information. It doesn't show you their information, but you can start contacting the brand as well and be like, hey, look, we buy from you all the time. We just want to be brand owners so we can optimize your listings. And then they're going to say, did you get an email from Amazon already? And you're going to share it. And that's how you get brand registered on Amazon. If this isn't your brand name. If it is your brand name, then you're going to go through this process and put in your serial number and information. If it is your brand name and a trademark is already enrolled, maybe somebody else tried to steal your brand, that's when you need to start contacting Amazon seller brand support and tell them, hey, they stole our brand. I want to see this message. Make sure you take a screenshot of the error message that you're getting. Finally, it's time to connect your Amazon Seller Central account. So once you gain access, or maybe you think you have access, or Amazon is saying that, hey, you don't have access, you're going to go back to your brand registry account, and then there's this button right here, access to selling benefits, and this is to view and manage the sellers who have access. So this is where you give your seller account access to the trademark. So maybe you didn't do this already, maybe you should do this, or you forgot to do this, but you're going to go here if your trademark is already registered, or Nike gave you access, or my example was Aculeaf gave you access to their brand. You're going to make sure it's attached to your Seller Central account. To do that, you're going to go here and click on this Access to Selling Benefits button, and then you're going to add your Seller Central account as an admin. All of these steps will allow you to be the brand admin of that Amazon listing and be able to make those changes that you want. If you're still having trouble, you can always contact the brand support or go to Amazon Seller Central and contact regular support and ask them to transfer you to brand support so they can help you update your listings. And my pro tip in today's video to get your listings updated is to contact brand support. So you're going to contact brand support and ask them, am I the brand owner of, let's say your brand name, Aculeaf? Right when they say yes, you're going to take a screenshot of everything that case log says, and you're going to use that as collateral. So whenever you're making an update on your Seller Central, you're going to call Amazon or chat with them, put that in the case log and be like, look, Amazon brand registry said we're the brand owner. Please update it. Then it's going to help you push it through so you can get your listings updated and ready to go on Amazon. If you learned something in today's video, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe because there's going to be a lot of great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. This is what we specialize in. Talk to you soon.